The Friday Gold Rush strategy is a way of trading that pays special attention to Fridays. Traders are betting that gold will rise ahead of the weekend. Reason for this can be that investors want to be hedged over the weekend. And what I did was a backtest in TradingView to see if this is a promising strategy. So you will see the result of the backtest and also the coding of this strategy. Remember, no strategy is guaranteed to make money, and traders using the Friday Gold Rush strategy need to be careful and ready to change their plans based on what's going on in the market. So let's have a view on of one example, and then we go to the strategy. So for example, like last week, we would have entered a long position on Thursday because we are expecting a rise in gold. That's why we opened a position on Thursday and closed it on a Friday. As we can see, we would have made a few bucks on this already. It's about 90 points. And yeah, that's basically the strategy we are using. So we're using we open a position on Thursday for every Thursday and closing on every Friday. We can see this strategy also in the chart with this arrow, buy and close position. So now you know the strategy. Let's have a let's see how we can use this strategy with a script. And in TradingView, we can apply the following code or script. Basically, what I'm checking is the day of the week. If it's a Thursday, then we do a buy, a long position. And if the day of the week is a Friday, then we do a closing position. That's basically it. And I tried it on the micro gold futures, but you can also use the gold futures as well. So it doesn't make much difference if I'm using the gold futures. And I'm on a 4-hour trading view. So next would be to see how is this strategy performing. And in TradingView, you can use the strategy tester, and we go loading the Friday Gold Rush. And we have to make some adjustments. I don't have $1 million. Let's have, let's say we have 50 grand. Then we're using a US dollar, and we make an order size of 20 grand. I think is one contract for the micro gold futures. And we also apply a commission per order of 3.5. And yeah, that's basically it. And as we can see here, we see now the result of the strategy. I just check it again. Yeah, that looks good. And yeah, we have made about 200 trades, and we have a trading range from 2020 onwards. So that's basically our backtesting time frame. We can expand it if you want. And yeah, there's some also properties in here, but as we can see from the equity curve, it looks very promising. It's more than half of the trades are winning trades, and on average you get $180. And yeah, I think that looks interesting to do more analysis on it. And yeah, I hope that helps you for the next Thursday or Friday. And yeah, as I mentioned, remember, no strategy is a guarantee to make money, so be careful. And if you have any ideas and or anything else, just write me a comment. I'm happy to see anything on this. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.